Dear students, hello dear students, welcome to the Sajaran Global School online classes. I'm Mr. Farooq Sheikh and today I'm going to teach you subject social science chapter 3rd part 4 cultural heritage of India's culture and the architecture. So in the previous 3 videos I taught you about the ancient civilization, Mauryan arts, Dravidian arts, then liner sketch of the stupas and the liner sketch of the temples. Now today we are going to learn in this video the sun temple, the sun temple, Jain temple. The temples also are called the Derasar, medieval architecture, architecture of Gujarat, and liner sketch of Moscow. Liner sketch means what are called the different parts of the Moscow. Okay, so let's start the our video. So here is the first is the sun temples. Okay, the sun temples. When you heard the first name that sun temples means maybe this temple is related to the sun rays. Okay, as it is in the previous video I taught you about the chariot temple. Chariot means the temples were constructed, or the shape of the temples was look like a chariot, यानी कि वो रथ जैसे उसको बनाया गया था. There was also the horses also were there, the wheels also was there. Okay, it was built on a platform. Okay, so this is called the chariot temple, and today I'm going to teach you the sun temple. Let us see. The sun temple of Konark is in Odisha. First important, the sun temple of Konark. Okay, this is the sun temple of Konark, and this temple is situated in the Odisha. यानी कि ये जो sun temple है, जो Konark sun temple, वो उड़ीसा में आया हुआ. Okay, which is one of the forms of chariot temple, and this is the also the shape of the sun temple is the chariot temple. You can see there is here are some wheels are there again, 1 2 3, and here this is the fourth one wheel. Okay, as it is on that side also there are wheels also are there. So this is the shape of this sun temple, the Konark sun temple. It is a like a chariot temples. Okay, then the Brihadiswar temple of Tanjore has 13-storied Gopuram. Brihadiswar temple of Tanjore, okay, which was built by a Raj Raja. Okay, so this is the 13-storied Gopuram. Okay, the Gopuram means that is a group upside, that is the which is third place in the temples built. It is called the Gopuram. Okay, so I hope you all have studied and the right written the all the parts of the temples. Okay, the Gopuram, Garbhagruh, Pradakshina Path, Viman, Shikhar. Okay, so metallic and stone idols of this age have special characteristic features. Bronze statue of Nataraj is the best example of idol sculpting of that time. And the bronze statue of Nataraj, the Nataraj statue. Okay, have you seen the dancing? Okay, on the Nataraj pencils that you can see the symbol Nataraj. Okay, also that many of the hands, more than two pairs of the hands. Okay, and this statue is built from the bronze. Okay, and this is the best example of the idol sculpting of that time. Chola temple have their own splendor in the age, the field of art and the architecture. And the Chola temples in the South India, they have also their field and they own the splendor, the field of art and the architecture. Now the one of the most beautiful temple, it is the Meenakshi, one of the huge temple of India, is in Madurai, spread in vast area. It is also the very beautiful. It is also spread very vast area. बहुत बड़े area में मीनाक्षी temple बना हुआ है. Okay, it has a 4 main gopuram. From the architectural point of view, it is a wonderful temple, and as we see from the architectural point of view, this is the wonderful art specimens of the architecture. This is the Meenakshi temple, and there are not only just one gopuram, there are total 4 gopurams. Okay, in the medieval period, Khajuraho was the capital city of Chandela, ruler of Bundelkhand. Chandela rulers built a beautiful temple at Khajuraho. That Bundelkhand is situated in the MP, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and in the medieval period, this Khajuraho was the very famous. Okay, the sculpturing art was very famous all over the world. Okay, and the Khajuraho was the capital city of Chandela rulers of Bundelkhand. यानी कि बुंदेलखंड का रीजन में, प्रोविंस में जो चंदेल रूलर्स थे, फॉर देम दिस खजुराहो वाज द कैपिटल सिटी. Chandela rulers built a beautiful temple at Khajuraho. The style of pinnacle varies from others. Khajuraho temple are the finest temple. Okay, and the style of this pinnacle, that upside there is a stairs. Okay, the pyramid style of the triangle shape is called the pinnacle. It was a varies from the other. Khajuraho temple are the finest temple, and this is the Khajuraho temple is the very finest temple and the art of the sculpting. Okay, now next is the Jain temples. So the Jain temples are found at various places of India. At the various places the Jain temples are found, that Vipulachal, Ratnagiri, Udaygiri, and Sarmagiri are five Jain temples. Okay, that Vibhar, Vibhar at Rajguru. Okay, Vipulachal, Ratnagiri, Udaygiri, and Somgiri are five Jain temples. There is a there is a Siddhakshetra pilgrim in the Samet Sikharji, Bihar, and it is known as a Madhuvan. And there is a also Siddhakshetra pilgrim. Pilgrim means there is a religious places, Pavitra Bhumi, Tirth Sthal. It is called the pilgrim. Okay, and this is also the very famous, and the it is a very famous for the pilgrim. Samet Sikharji, Bihar, and it is known as a Madhuvan. Abhinath Bhagwan, okay, sorry, Adinath Bhagwan, and other 20 Tirthakar attain Nirvana. Okay, in the as we can see, according to the mythology of the Jain religion, there are total 24 Tirthakars were there. Okay, and the first was the Rishabdev, and the last was the who is the founder of Jain, Mahavir Swami. So Mahavir Swami was the last 24th Tirthakar. Okay, and that is a belief that Adinath Bhagwan and other 20 Tirthakar attained Nirvana. Nirvana means they got moksha. They sacrifice their life. Okay, यानी कि उन्होंने अपना देह त्याग किया था. Okay, उनकी एक्सपायर हो गए थे, वो डेथ हो गए थे, वो मर गए, वट एवर वी कैन से. इट इज़ कॉल्ड इन दी जैन, इट इज़ कॉल्ड द निर्वाणा. निर्वाणा मीन्स मुक्ति फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड, दुनिया से आज़ादी पाना. ओके, मोह माया सबसे आज़ादी, इट इज कॉल्ड द निर्वाणा. एंड आदिनाथ भगवान एंड अदर 20 तीर्थकर, okay, they attend nirvana, they attend the moksha. There are temples of Adinath, Nathji, and Parsunathji. Bhagwan Mahavir reached here, and many sects attain salvation moksha. And also, the many of the Sikh sadhu of the Jain religion, they also attain the salvation moksha. क्यों उनको यहाँ से प्राप्ति हो गई थी. Moksha prapti means that is a getting the all types of the devotees. Okay, the meditation they got, and through this moksha, थ्रू अटेनिंग दिस मोक्स, दे कैन रीच टू द गॉड. उनको भगवान के साथ में दे कैन डू कनेक्ट टू द भगवान, टू द लॉर्ड. इज कॉल्ड द मोक्स. आफ्टर द गेटिंग अटेंड द मोक्स, दे हैव नो एनी वर्ड्स, नो मोह और द माया. उनको कुछ पाने के लिए दे हैव नो एनी, दे आर सेटिस्फाइड फॉर ऑल द थिंग्स. क्योंकि उनको कुछ पाने की चाह नहीं रहती, यानी कि मोह माया से वो बिल्कुल आज़ाद हो जाते हैं. ओके, सो देर इज अ जैन टेम्पल्स एट पालिताना एंड संकेश्वर टेम्पल एट पंचासर. हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज द पालिताना. डू यू नो एक्चुअली व्हाट इज दिस? इज द माउंटेन. Okay, this is not seen the clearly in this, but you can see in a textbook, or also you can search in the YouTube too also about the Palitana temple. So these temples are built on the mountain. Okay, so many temples are built on this mountain. Okay, so there is a Jain temples at Palitana and Sankeshwar temple at Panchasar in Gujarat. Jain temple at Dilwara, Mount Abu. Okay, I hope you all have visited the Mount Abu. And at the Mount Abu, many of the Jain temples are there. Okay, Ranakpur in Rajasthan are excellent and wonderful form of construction carving. Ranakpur in the Rajasthan. Okay, this is also the very excellent and wonderful form of construction carving. Artistic skill and the sculpture point of view. Especially Dilwara temples at Abu, which have been constructed by Minister Vimal Shah or Vimal Vasahi. Okay, and the Dilwara temples at the Mount Abu, it was built constructed by the Minister Vimal Shah. यानी कि विमल शाह मिनिस्टर जो थे ओके, उनके द्वारा बनाए गए थे. Okay, that time the Vastupal and the Tejpal also was there. So the Vimal Sahi and the other minister Vastupal constructed Luna Vasahi, and the other minister also was there, that Vastupal. The Vastupal and his brother named Tejpal, they also constructed that Luna Vasahi, are excellent example of sculpture. These are constructed with white marble, and these all the temples are built with the white marble. They are studied with the white marbles. Okay, completely from the white marble they are studied. Okay, so they are famous in India as well as abroad because of their and the artistic point of view. Okay, and these temples, that Jain temples at the Mount Abu, that Vimal Vasahi and the Vastupal and Tejpal, that Luna Vasahi, they are best example of sculpture. So they are famous for their attractive minute and artistic work of sculpture. Okay, very small and the minute artistic skills have been co on this temple, and these temples are wonderful and memorable gift of Jain religion to the Indian culture. And Jain temples are worldwide famous due to their art of sculpture and the architectures, and these Jain temples are also the famous worldwide because of their artistic sculptures and the sculpture and the architectures. Okay, यानी कि उनकी जो curves, okay, the designs of curving, the style of the curving, and also the building on the different artistic way. Okay, at the point of view they are famous worldwide. Now the first we have studied about the sun temple at the Konark, which is situated in the Odisha. Now another sun temple of Modhera. Okay, just keep in mind the sun temple of Modhera. So the Modhera temple in Gujarat Mahesana district, जो मोढेरा टेम्पल है वो गुजरात के महसाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आया हुआ है. एंड द कोनार्क टेम्पल इट इज सिचुएटेड इन द ओडिशा. Okay, don't miss both these, the Modhera and the Konark. Both are at the different places. The Konark temple is situated at the Odisha district, Odisha state, and the Modhera temple it is in the Gujarat state. Is it clear? Am I clear, students? Okay. So Modhera temple in Gujarat, it is in the Mehsana district, was built in 126, okay, 1026 AD during the reign of Solanki king Bhimdev first, when there was a rule of the Solanki king Bhimdev first. So that time the sun temple of Modhera was constructed. In this temple, a gem was studied in the middle of crown of sun god. Okay, gems, बहुत ही precious stone, it is called the gems, and the gems were studied in the middle of the crown of sun god, यानी कि भगवान लॉर्ड सन का जो क्राउन था, जो मुकुट था, उसके बीच में टेम्पल जेम्स उसको बिठाया गया था. दैट स्टडीड द जेम्स. The entrance gate on the eastern side of this temple is constructed in a such a way that the first ray of sun falls directly on the gem, and because of it the entire sanctum is lit up. And the construction was built, वो इस तरह से बनाया गया था, that eastern side of this temple. So when the first rays of the sun fall directly on the gem, यानी कि जो पत्थर थे, okay, precious gems, gems means that sparkling stone, this is also stone, they are not called the diamond, but these also are the very beautiful. Okay, and they also look like a similar like a diamond, but they are also sparkling while they get to, while they receive the light. Okay, so when the sun rays falls directly on the gems, because of it the entire sanctum, यानी कि वो जो रूम था, that गर्भगृह, it was lit up, creating a divine atmosphere. Or because of this light which was illuminate from the gems because of the sunlight, and that was create a divine atmosphere. और वहाँ पे because of this light it was look like a बहुत ही भक्तिपूर्ण माहौल पैदा होता था. And the 12 different image of the sun god and erotic sculptures are seen. Okay, and the 12 different sun gods and the sculptures are seen in this temple, and the curving of this temple is done in Iranian school of art, and the architectures and the curves arts of this temple is done in Iranian school of art. This question maybe can be asked, that in which style or the architecture the sun temple of Modhera's curved? So Iranian school of art. So there are 108 small temples, 108 8 stone small temples surrounding outside tank which create a pleasant sight a dusk and the dawn. Okay, and around this outside of this temple there is a one tank is there, and the around the tank means kund bana hua hai, and the, around that kund there are 108 temples. Okay, and which create the pleasant sight at dusk and the dawn, यानी कि जब सुबह होती है और शाम होती है, so because of this all the temples, the shadow of this temple it's create the pleasant sight, यानी कि वो देखने के लिए हमें बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. इट्स लुक लाइक अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ड्यूरिंग द डस्क एंड द dawn. Dusk and the dawn, these are the two different. Dusk means the time when the sun is set, and the dawn means the time when sun rise. Okay, this is called the dusk and the dawn. Now the medieval architecture. So the architecture of mosque, minarets, royal palaces, bridge and inners etc are seen in medieval age. Qutbuddin Aibak, okay, built Qutub Minar and Quwwat ul Islam Mosque. Okay, now in the medieval architecture, so in the architecture of mosques, minaret, royal palaces, bridge and inns etc are seen in the medieval age. Qutbuddin Aibak built Qutub Minar एंड कुव्वतुल इस्लाम मॉस्को, ने कि जो कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक था, ओके, उसने कुतुब मीनार बनाया था, एंड ही ऑल्सो बिल्ड अ कुव्वतुल इस्लाम मॉस्को. सिमिलर मॉस्क्यू नेम्ड अढ़ाई दिन का जोपरा वॉज बिल्ड बाय कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक इन अजमेर. ओके, अढ़ाई दिन का जोपरा, okay, there is in the Ajmer situated, it is called the ढाई दिन का जोपरा because there was in the earlier time that fair was held for a ढाई days, okay, 2.5 days, and that is was it was called the अढ़ाई दिन का जोपरा, and was also built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay, it is situated in the Ajmer. Now second is the Bengal. So in the Bengal, there is a Adina Mosque at Padua region of Bengal, tomb of Jalaluddin Muhammad Shah and the Tantipara Mosque were constructed. This region developed its own special style in the field of architecture. Okay, in the Bengal, this mosque is situated, Adina Mosque. Okay, and the tomb of Jalaluddin Muhammad, tomb means Dargah, Samadhi, it is called the Samadhi, where is the dead body is engraved, or the some another parts of the bodies they are engraved, or it is called the बैठक, वहाँ पे जो बैठते थे उनकी जगह पे, it is a built a tomb. Then the Jaunpur. So Sultan of Turkey built Atala Mosque. The Sultans of Turkey built a Atala Mosque. There is an artistic grill around the dome. The walls and the ceiling are decorated with many Indian design, including lotus. Okay, that Sultan Turkey built Atala Mosque at the Jaunpur. Okay, and there is an artistic grill around the dome means that semicircled upper parts of the mosque, it is called dome, it is called the dome, and the walls and ceiling are decorated with many Indian design including lotus. और जो उसकी वॉल्स की दीवारें थी और जो उसकी छत थी, ओके, उसको बहुत ही अच्छे से डेकोरेट करके बनाया गया था, एंड ऑल्सो दे यूज द लोटस डिजाइन ऑल्सो. देन नंबर 4 इज द मालवा. सो द peculiar style of Mandu building is seen under the protection of sultans. Many such tombs have been created over there. The huge and the impressive domes and the curving of balcony. It is the structure of the attractive tomb of Hosang Shah is completely made of marble in Indian. And in the Malwa, the peculiar style of the Mandu building is seen under the protection of Sultan. Okay, this building was built under the protection of the Sultan, and many such tombs have been created over there. और बहुत ज़्यादा tombs या दरगाह है वहाँ पे बनाई गई है. And the huge and the impressive domes and curving of balcony in this architecture are attractive. And tomb of Hosang Shah is completely made of marble in Indian style. Tomb, second time I will explain it. The tomb means dargah. Okay, it is called the समाधि मीन्स कोई संत होता है, पीर फकीर होता है, when they died or they expired, so their dead body is engraved. Okay, it is a buried, and on the समाधि of this संत साधु फकीर पैगंबर, उनकी जो समाधि होती है, on this समाधि they built a one construction, it is called the tomb. Okay, monument. Okay, so there is also the tomb of Hosang site is also completely made of marble in Indian style. Then other provisions, so beside the rulers of Kashmir and Bahmani built dome of Bijapur, buildings at Bidar and Gulbargani and Madras of Muhammad Gawa, temples of Hampi, Vithala Swami and Hazarama, Gopuram, and artistic pillars as well as of Vijaypur, Vijayanagar. So this in the other province also many of these monuments and the mosques and the tombs are built, that rulers of the Kashmir and the Badam built dome of Bijapur, buildings at Bedar and Gulbargani and Madrasa of Muhammad Gawa. Madrasa means as in the ashram that in the Hindu they are taught about the Sanskrit, and also as it is Muslims are studying the Urdu and the Arabic language, and also they are studying the lesson of the Quran in the madrasa. So temples of Hampi, Vithala Swami and Hazara Swami, Gopuram and artistic pillars are well known art of Vijayanagar Empire. Now the architecture of Gujarat. So sculpture and architecture of Gujarat include temples of various religious, mosques, vihars, both religion, mutt, stup, chaitya, cave temples, Jain temples. Beside this, different types of building construction useful for the society like a royal palace, fort, domes, gate, Kirtistam, Tower of Fame, in sanctuaries, Upasrai, Visams, verandas, skylight, Jaruko, watchtower, arches, wells, tap wells, lakes and ponds, figure of animals and birds are the most beautiful and magnificent structure. Okay, these different type of the structure are built in the Gujarat. Okay, so many types are given here, so you have to prepare this all the styles, all types of structure which are built in the Gujarat. Okay, here you can see the one of the structure, this is called the Kirti Stamb or the Kirti Toran. It is also can be entered from these seas. Okay, and it is also very, this whole the construction it is built from on one single rock, यानी कि सिर्फ एक ही पत्थर में से इसको कव करके बनाया जाता है, and this is situated in the Vardnagar. The temple, so in the religious field, temple of different religions have been built in Gujarat. So in the Gujarat, many of the temples are built. So you can write all the temples which you have seen in the Gujarat in this topic. Okay, no any bounded for it. Okay, अपना जितने भी temples देखे गुजरात में, which are the very famous for the artistic and also for the religious purpose and as a pilgrimages. So you can write that all. Ambaji, Dakor, Fagwell. Okay, all temples you can write. Okay, let us see that which temples are very famous as a pilgrimage and also point of view of architecture and the sculpture. So in the religious field, temples of different religions have been built in the Gujarat. They are temples of Bhadrakali, Gita Mandir, Ved temple, Jagannath temple, Jamalpur, Ranchorraji temple at Dakor, Sun temple at Modera, which is in the Maisana, Hatkeshwar Mahadev temple, Vardnagar, Ambaji temple, Samlaji temple, Somnath temple, Jagat temple, Dwarka, Bahucharaji temple, Mahakali temple at the Pavagadh, okay, Swaminarayan temple, Brahmaji temple, Khed Brahma, Khodyar Mataji temple, Bhavnagar, okay, Mud of Asapura, Kutch, etc. Also, you can add that Poicha temple, okay, Swaminarayan temple at the Gandhinagar. So many temples. Which temple you have seen and which are the very famous? That all the temples you can write. Okay, then don't write that in every village there are temples. Which are the very famous and the peoples are going there for as a pilgrims. Okay, उस स्थलों के pilgrims के लिए जाते हैं. Okay, as this all the which are the famous temple you have to write their names. Okay, now second is the mosque which are in the Gujarat. So the Jama Masjid near Teen Darwaza is in Ahmedabad. Okay, in the Ahmedabad there is in the Jama Masjid, it is near the Teen Darwaza, and Sultan Ahmad Shah first built this, and Sultan Ahmad Shah built this masjid. Jama Masjid is in the Ahmedabad. So in 1424 AD, it has 260 pillars and 15 domes. यानी कि 260 pillars है उसके और 15 domes है. Domes mean that inverted semicircle shape. It is called the dome, that this is the way, this is called the domes. Okay, this is the structure, and on this structure this is the way this is built. Okay, so this is the, what is this semicircle? Okay, it is called the dome. Understood? This is the, it is in the built in the semicircle way. Okay, and it's also the very artistic designs also curve on these domes also. What it is called? This is called the domes. Okay. Okay, so this is also the other structure include Sidi Sayed Grill. Okay, at the Ahmedabad, the Sidi Sayed Grill also the very famous. That grill jali, it is built from one single rock. यानी कि एक ही पत्थर में से बनाए गए हैं. And there's also the very minute and the very small artistic sculpture art. Okay, with minute curving, that roja of Sarkhej shaking tower Ahmedabad, that shaking tower, when you touch to the tower that you are feeling that tower is shaking, यानी कि वो धूज रहा है, वो मूवमेंट कर रहा है. It is called the shaking tower in the Ahmedabad. Mosque of Queen Sipri, which is also known as the Mosque of Nagina and Jama Masjid at the Champaner. There are many such mosques in big cities of Gujarat. Okay, so many other mosques also are in the big cities of the Gujarat. Now number third is the Jain temples which are in the Gujarat. The Jain temple of Hatisi, Khambar, Kumbharia ji, Sankheswar, Siddhagiri, Shatrunjay Giri, Palitana, etc. are quite well known from sculpture and architecture and carving point of view. These are the Jain temples of the Gujarat. Okay, Hatisi, Kumbharia ji, Sankheswar, Siddhagiri, Shatrunjay Giri, Palitana, these are. Now the stepwell of Gujarat. Now stepwells are the very famous in the Gujarat from the ancient time. Also for the useful purpose for the villagers, for the people, and also for the travelers, and also point of view of architecture and the sculpture. Okay, stepwell of Adalaj and stepwell of Dada Harini Wow Ahmedabad. Rani in Sipri, stepwell of Patan, Rani stepwell. In the case stepwell of Queen, it is also can be say which stepwell was built by King Bhimdev first. Okay, Binal Devi. Okay, stepwell of the boy, etc. are very splendid example of stepwell construction, wow constructions. Okay, so this is the stepwells also are the very famous in the Gujarat, and the many of the stepwell also got the name in the World Heritage Site. Okay, which stepwell? Okay, it is in the Ahmedabad that is situated, that Ranini stepwell. Okay, stepwell of Queen. So apart from this, these are many best specimens of the field of architecture, that fort of Bhadra, Teen Darwaja, Naginawadi, Kankaria Lake, Ahmedabad. That Kankaria Lake, it is also, okay, this Kankaria Lake also built by a Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay, it's also the very famous in the Ahmedabad. There is also every year there is held at Kankaria Carnival. Okay, then the Rudra Mahalay Siddhipur, Sahasraling Lake Patan, Chori of Samlaji, Samadhi of Tanariri, Kirtitoran Vadnagar, Munsar Lake Viramgam. Okay, these all the temples, the stepwells which are situated where. Okay, you have to by hand this completely prepared. Okay, this is the very important. Okay, that Naginawadi, Kankaria Lake, Ahmedabad, Rudra Mahalay, Siddhapur, Sahasraling, Patan, Chori of Samlaji, Samadhi of Tarani, Kirti Road, Toran, Vadnagar, Munsar Lake, Viramgam. This Munsar Lake, Viramgam, many of the time this question asked in the 10th board, that where is the Munsar Lake is situated. Okay, and where is the Malwa Lake is situated, and the Malwa Lake is in the Dolka. So these all are. Okay, so this art add to the dignity and the glory of गुजरात. यानी कि ये आर्ट से है, उसकी वजह से जो गुजरात की जो प्रतिभा है, गुजरात का जो गौरव गौरव है, और जो गुजरात की चमक है, उसमें ज़्यादा उछाल आते हैं. दैट कैन बी एड डिग्निटी एंड द ग्लोरी. यानी कि उससे गुजरात की जो प्रतिभा है उसमें बहुत बढ़ोतरी आती है. दिस ऑल द sculptures and the monument. Today Gujarat shine like star in the world में because of its arts and sculpture, architecture and the carving. And the Gujarat is also shine like a star in the world map because of its sculpture and the architecture and the carving. Now the here is the liner sketch of the mosque. This is the like mass sketch of the mosque from the here. These are the entrance. Okay, this is the main entrance when people can be entered in the mosque. Okay, and this is the which place it is here built. This is called the Galiara. Here is the Qibla. So the facing to this Qibla are toward the east, sorry, west direction. So the facing to the west direction that peoples are offering the नमाज प्रेयर ओके मेहराब इसके सामने जो मुल्ला मौलवी साहब जो होते हैं ओके दे आर परफॉर्मिंग द प्रेयर एंड बिहाइंड द Maulvis that others who are the devotees they pray, they offer the prayers. Okay, these are the minarets. Okay, these are the minarets means minara. Okay, the Livan, the place here, all the people are stand there and they are offering the prayer. Between here is the in the middle there is a one kun hot where is the water and people can wash their hands, mouths and legs everything with the rituals. Okay, and this is also called the vaju. Okay, now let us see the one by one about the information of the liner sketch of the mosque. First is the galiara. So the way to enter and exit the mosque, the way to enter and exit the mosque, here and the here there are three gallianas in this mosque. Qibla, the part of this architecture parts of mosque or hall wall where namaz is performed, it is always in the direction of Kaaba. Okay, Qibla, this is the hall where the prayer is offered in the directions of the Kaaba, and the Kaaba in according to in India that Kaaba in the west direction. So हम west direction में इंडिया में जितने मुसलमान हैं सभी west direction में नमाज पढ़ते हैं. Okay, then the Livan. So the room in the mosque with pillars. Okay, there is a room in the mosque with the pillars called the Livan. Then the Maksura. The end of the mosque wall is known as a Maksura, which is separated by the railing. Mehrab. The interior part of mosque wall, which is human height, indicate correct direction of Makkah. Makkah is known as a mehrab. In India, mehrab is generally kept in the west. और इंडिया में जो मेहराब है वो जनरली वेस्ट स्टेशन में होता है. देन सहन, द कैंपस ऑफ मॉस्क वेयर द फॉलोअर्स इस्लाम गेट टुगेदर फॉर प्रेयर्स इज नोन एज अ सहन. ओके, दिस इज द प्लेस, ये प्लेस है. ओके, so all the peoples are get together and they pray there, they perform the prayer, it is called the sahan. Okay, so I hope students all of you understood about this all the artistics of the Gujarat, that mosques, temples, Jain temples, stups and all. Okay, I will send you the additional questions after. So this is the our third chapter, here is the over. Okay, take care, bye bye.